Hello to everyone. So today it's 24 September 24. Now it's 4:27 in the morning. Usually before I go sleep, I check list with the last earthquakes. Not always, but when the God said me to watch. Now we have earthquake in Romania for 5.6 Richter scale in Romania. This is in the center of the Europe. 5.6 at 1 hour and 11 minutes, that's 1111 in the morning of 24 September. Now let me show you something. As you can see, I will go back just a moment. The moon phase it's on 45%, that means 55% in the dark. This is the phase of the moon. At 2100 hours on September 23rd, it was 22nd day and only 11 hour of lunar day. So this is value until the 10 o'clock in the morning. Do you understand that? So 12 more hour, we come to the 9 o'clock in the morning, to the 10 o'clock in the morning. So this one here was at 1:11 when the moon was on, when the phase of the moon, day of the moon, was 55% in the dark. So this is the phase of the moon which I'm calling out that causes earthquakes. Now, I'm going to show you what causes earthquake. Not only what causes earthquake, but I'm going to show you the angular separation, which is perfect. And my findings with this angular separation, it's something amazing. I mean, really amazing. With this, you can very easily with computer calculate when the earthquake can occur. So let me show you this. So this is the Palin in Romania, and this is the Comet Hill. As you can see, Comet Hill goes straight to the epicenter at 1:10 in the morning, only 1 minute prior to this earthquake. 1 minute. So there's something very strong must be in the connection with this earthquake. Something was very close here, which is not evident anywhere, because this earthquake was extremely fast. Now I'm going to show you something special. This is the epicenter, Palin. This is the Comet Hill. Okay, now watch this. Comet Hill, Palin. Read the angular separation, 279 degrees. 279 degrees. Do you know what this means? It means 90 degrees, it means 180 degrees, it means 270 degrees and 360 degrees, which is equal to 0. Now, as you can see, this earthquake was 5.6. In a case that angular separation was here, just a moment, or a bit more away from here, I don't know where can I go to come to 270, but it doesn't matter. The Romania will suffer from terrible earthquake, but of course it's not happened. But something else I want to show you. Do you see these two orbits are in crossing here, right in the front of Comet Hill? Now let me show you the value of angular separation from here to Palin. Read this, 272. So that was the cause of the earthquake, 272. This in crossing of these two comets was making the shortcut which hit this place here. You see? how angular separation is working? Look at that here. We have 273 degrees. Sorry, 273. Yes. You see it? Position angle. I mean, this is incredible. So I don't know where is the moon now in this moment, because I would like to know where the moon is, but as I can see, moon is somewhere here and it's present. We can squeeze this and see where is the moon here. Because as long as I see here, moon is present somewhere. Here it is. Here it is. Look at where the moon is. And now let me show you this. Comet Hill is somewhere here. Oh, let me do something else. That's it. Just a moment. I will move that here. So here is the comet. Here's the Comet Hill. Just a moment. So we will try to. I know what I will do. I will select Comet Hill. Just a moment. Here it is. I will select Comet Hill. Okay, and now we are going to see, we're going to remove all these other comets because it's a mess here. And now I'm going to look for the moon, which is here, and let's see what the moon is with the, just a moment, to mark the moon. Yes. Now we can calculate angular separation, because I didn't calculate this, but let me see what is the relation with the moon. So the relation with the moon is 234, and opposite angular separation is, let me see, (9 degrees, people. Here it is, 9 degrees. Look at that. This is toward the zero. This is the distance. You remember 278, that was 8 degrees above the 217, and this is 9 degrees above the zero. You see, this is the limit calculation, border calculation, or I don't know how you say. Now, let me see the Palin and moon relation in the angular separation with the moon. Let me see. 163 is very close to the 180. So let's see opposite. Here is the Palin. 354. That is almost 360 degrees. We also need only 6 degrees to come to the zero value. You see that? Everything is perfect. So everything is perfect. So it's all about the angles. And this is very, very big discovery that I found out. So it's all about the angles. So there was another earthquake which I'm not covered here in this. It was just a bit prior to this one, just a moment, and it is in the Mindanao, Philippines. 662. We can take a look what was here. Mindanao, Philippines. Okay, let's go to Philippines and let's see what caused this earthquake in Philippines. I have Mindanao already. Here it is. You see. Do you see how close this is? Look at that here. Mindanao and Palin. Just a moment. Here it is. Just a moment. Let me see. Let me see what is the relation between this. If I can squeeze it. Just a moment. So I will squeeze that. Bucharest. Here it is. Here is Mindanao. Here is Palin. Let me see angular separation between these two locations. So angular separation. This is the Palin, and this is the Mindanao. Is that an orbit of somewhere? Something? Look at that! Whoa! I can't believe this. Look at that! 89 degrees. Look at here, the value in the middle of the screen. 89 degrees. Hey people, this is the same earthquake. This is the same body that caused this earthquake. Let me see something. Let me see something here. What was the time of this earthquake? Look at that here. Look at that here. 22:53, 23. That's the... What is the difference between them? It's... what? Sorry, just a moment. 53 is a 7. 18 minutes is the distance between these two earthquakes. 18 minutes. People, do you understand what's going on here? So this is some kind of orbit here. We are talking about some secret orbit here. Look at that here. Mindanao, Philippines, Palin, Romania, 89, 40 minutes. This is almost 90 degrees. I mean, people, this is incredible. And look how this is going. It's going diagonal. So something was passing very, very close to this. So let's see. Here is the moon. Look at that here. Look at that here. Here is the moon. This is the moon related. This is the moon related earthquake. Watch this. Let's see what is the relation between Mindanao and the moon. Just a moment. Okay, opposite. Mindanao moon. Yes, but just a moment. This is not... I forget to enter the right time. I'm sorry. I left the time from Romania. So this is 22:53. This is 0:53, 0:53, 0:53. So we go back. 0:53. I'm sorry. I didn't pay attention on the time. This is so excited. So this is it. Okay, now Mindanao, Palin. This is 89 degrees. This is remaining, but the moon is not on the same position. Here is the moon. Just a moment. And here is the Mindanao. Let's see this. Okay, opposite direction. It's opposite position. It's Mindanao moon. (52 degrees). So now we have to find which comet caused this earthquake. So let me see, what do I have here? So I have to go a bit back, because this is not the time of the earthquake. So I have to go, here it is. I got it. It's this one. Now we will find which orbit is this, and we will cover both earthquakes. And now we can calculate angular separation. Okay, a bit back. Okay, now let's see the angular separation. Just a moment to go a bit down. Okay, now moon and Mindanao. Let's see this out. Mindanao moon, sorry. What do we have here? Okay. The relation is 53. Okay, opposite regulation is Mindanao. It's here. This is 200. This is not related to the moon. So let me see which one is the comet is this. Just a moment, because I have to find the list of the comet and exclude this orbit out. So we need comets. Let's try with the Catalina US-10. I will now take off orbit of Catalina US-10. Let's see. It's not, you see, this is the orbit of Catalina US-10. Now we go to the following. Just a moment. The following. Which one was that? Catalina US-10. Now we have here Catalina Pan-star, R3b. Let's remove this. No, it's this one with the, it's going with the sun. This is moving with the sun. So this one, it's Temple, which caused an earthquake in somewhere today. I don't know. I don't remember. In Mozambique. In Mozambique. Let's remove this one. You see, it's not this one. Okay. Now let's go. Okay, just a moment. I have to find this orbit. It's probably the Catalina V4, or let me see what I have marked here, which it is. And when we remove this orbit, we will know which comet caused this, because this orbit laying straight on the center of the epicenter. Here's this is Comet Boris, so let's remove this. It's not. Report. Here it is. Lemon F6. Let's remove the Comet Lemon F6 orbit. Let's see, is this caused the earthquake in Mindanao? No, it's not. Where is this orbit going? I don't know what's... No, it's not present here. So we have to go... Here it is. Comet Hill. Let's remove orbit of the Comet Hill. Wow! Whoa! Look at that! Look at that thing! People, look at that thing! Look at that thing! This is the same comet that caused the earthquake in Putin, in Palin, in Romania. Look at, I will remove now the comet that caused the Palin earthquake. And look now, Mindanao. Look at that here. I will blow this up for you. My God, look at this. Look at that here. Look at that here. Oh my God, it's the same comet. I told you it's the same comet. I can't believe this. Now I will remove the, look at it here. I will remove the orbit of the comet. Here is the orbit. You see that here? You see that here? I will remove the orbit now. And look what we got. This is the Comet Hill. This is the Comet Hill that here, up there, it's in the Palin. Just a moment to squeeze. Here it is. The same comet causes the earthquake. You see how orbit influenced this? This is incredible. I mean, this is incredible, people. I never saw something like this. I will never ever think about this. The Mindanao earthquake and the Palin earthquake, it was hit by the same comet. I told you, in Italy, the Comet Hill hit Italy with a 6.4 Richter scale. That was the Comet Hill. And I show you, in New Zealand, Comet Hill hit all these areas. So what the fuck is it, Comet Hill? What the fuck is this? I mean, this is, people, I'm so excited. I'm sorry for my exciting, but I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This is something, I mean, really incredible. Really incredible. Watch this once again. The same comet which hit Romania, it's hit Mindanao. Do you understand how powerful these comets are? Can you imagine this? Look at that here. It's laying exactly on the comet of the, only also very sharp. This is 053. This is also 8 minutes prior to the earthquake. 8 minutes prior to the earthquake. So this is very, very powerful. This is very powerful comet. Very powerful comet. People, thank you very much. I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm going to sleep now, because I'm going to dig this out, because I want to know what this is fucking going on here. Thank you very much, and I'm sorry for my exciting. Stay tuned.